Hi, how are you? I hope we are all well. I'm just having an introduction and of myself, and just announcing that by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, on the 22nd, at 9 o'clock Dubai time, which is I think 7 o'clock in Italy time, I will be streaming live, and I will be talking about a very important subject which should be documented. It will be on the chakras and its functions. Okay, the functions, we have the chakras, which are the energy centers, and each energy center has a function. So the function is either physiological or psychological. We will go in details about these aspects. We will be talking about something not common. Okay, we know briefly about chakras, but now we will go in depth. This lecture may take 1 hour, and if we see that it will take more than that, so we will be dividing it into two. So I hope that I will see you, and thank you so much, and take care.